Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Omega Given here. Let's play some music really quick. Give me 1 second while I throw on some music. So while we do some coding this morning, I don't know how long we have. Basically, I have until my wife wakes up, but we'll see. So we're gonna put some music. All right. So let's pick up where we left off last time. Where we left off last time. Well, let me pull up my desktop. Main display. Wait, why is my main display all weird? Oh, that's not the main display. That is my other screen display. This is the main display. Here we are, guys. So, oh, I don't have my camera on. I'm not gonna turn my camera on this morning. It's a morning. Oh, I need to mute the music on this. Make the master volume 0. Okay, guys. So we have our guy over here, our game. We have this over here. I forgot already how to increase size. There we go. Okay, let's increase the size a little bit. We're gonna minimize this. We're gonna keep everything to one page, just to make it simpler for you guys. Okay, so we have, I think last time we left off where I had it, so it was taking screenshots. So it got a screenshot and it returns data. Oh, I forgot. Oh yeah, I threw this in last time. So basically wherever there says play, it will click the play button. But actually we don't want to do that. We don't want to actually click the play button quite yet. Let's do a different, I want to do a test thing. Let's do a test thing where it's like def click mission. So let's do something like that. So we're gonna make a function where it's just literally clicking on the missions tab. So we're gonna make text. We gotta make text equal to the missions thing, which is missions, missions, and then basically copy all of this. Boom. And then copy all that, place that here, and let's see if it works. Let's literally just do click mission. Let's see if this works. We'll run it. It didn't work. Okay, let's debug this a little bit. So let's say take screenshot, and I want to print, or oh wait, no, we want to get the data, comma, image equals take screenshot. With that said, there's probably blank lines after function found. Whatever, it doesn't matter about that. So we have this. We want to print the data. I want to see what's date. I said date, not data. There we go. And what? Inspection 2 blank lines after class. There. Are you happy now, program? So you don't want to give me squiggly lines? Let's run that. Okay, so this is what we have. This is what we got. Also, we can probably check and just see what is our image. Our image is blank. That could explain it. Or that could explain why we're not getting anything. So let's switch this to monitor 1. I think it's monitor 1. Let me see now. It's hitting a weird region now. Here, give me 1 second. I want to display settings. That is interesting that it's doing that. Because we want X to be divided by 2, because we want only just the left side of the screen. I want to print. Let's print get monitors. I want to see what monitors are what. All right, monitor, we have X and Y as 1620. Height is 2080. Width, what the flip is this monitor? That's display. That's the first monitor? The first monitor is display 2. Then second monitor is, oh, what is with that? That is not correct width and height. That's display 3. And then we have width, height. So we actually want the third monitor, which is number 2. There we are. Look at that right there. That's what we want. So now we have a picture of literally the whole game, basically. With that, I think it might work now. Let's try doing that then. Let's do click missions. Let's run that. It didn't necessarily do anything. We could be doing something a little wrong right here. Let me see here. What is happening? We need to do some debugger stuff. When I say debugger, we want to do, let's import some logging. Import logging. There we go. So we got to do this. Logging dot. Let's do logging dot info. How does that work? Let me see. There's error. Let's do logging dot info. Found. Let's do a special formatting so we can be able to do this. Let's put text here. Found. What? Or play game. So now we can put this basically in any of these functions, and it will be universal. We also want to do some logging here as well. Could not find text, and then actually let's call this one an error, and let's run it. There, error, could not find missions. Why couldn't it find missions? Well, let's see. Let's run this. So it couldn't find missions. Why couldn't it find missions? Maybe the text font is a little too hard for this to find. Let's scroll on around. Actually, okay. Let's put just text here. That way we can maybe find this a little easier. There. Now we can see all the stuff. So here we have unleashed the darker. So it's starting to read this text down below here. So you can see that unleash the darker new marvels, the Midnight Suns variants. It has learn more. It picked that up. And it couldn't do anything else. You can see that it got go. Where did this go come from? So it cannot pick up this text up here, interestingly enough. Let's see what it looks like on. Yeah, I should be able to pick it up. I guess that white and black background might not be doing it any favors. Can't pick up the money either. I wonder if let's try just letting it stay colored. Take screenshot. How do I have it colored? Yeah, let's try click missions, and let's do colored equals true. I think that's how I did it, right? All right, let's try that again. Could not find missions. All right, so it still can't find the missions button. What we could be doing is we could just go off of sizing, really, but that would not be good. Okay, let's go to deck management really quick. I want to see if it can pick up yeah, it's probably not gonna be able to pick up any of this text, I imagine. I could, okay, if we don't use this library, we could do this completely separately, where we basically would just do it off of picture. But picture is a little harder to do. I'm trying to think, because that's gonna be, I'd have to take screenshots of every single card, and from that would have to I would have to do stuff. I wonder, how can we do this? Here, let's take a screenshot at least this page and see what happens. Let's comment this out. We don't need that. I just want to print out the text and see what it looks like. All right, so it has issue. No idea where I got that. CM cup top. What the fuck is that? Ors? I don't know. This is gonna have the hardest time ever. Yeah, it's not gonna be able to read any of this page. Just knowing, like, look at that. No way it's gonna be able to read any of this page. Maybe it should be able to read Jessica Jones or cards. But it doesn't read those. Yeah, it's having a hard time with this font. I wonder if there's any way we can get this to work better. It looks like just Tesseract is not working though. It's not picking up any of the text on the pages that well. I wonder, is there anything else we can do visually here? We have low graphics. If we up the graphics, will that do anything? It adds sheens and stuff like that, which is not what we want exactly. English, not a bot. Yeah, they don't have any other settings that we could like change around to make this a little better. And so this thing is really having a hard time. Yeah. Let's play through a game really quick. I just want to see what would this look like. Actually, yeah, let's read this page really quick. Match waiting for opponent. So you can see it does have a pretty good waiting for opponent. I don't know where the issue is coming from. Angel. Blah blah blah. Interesting. Kind of wondering, how can we do this so it works? Like, I really, yeah, it would be a lot of work, but I think in order to do this game specifically, you would either need a, what do you call it? You either need a image recognition, so you'd take screenshots of almost everything, or actually, let's see what does this pick up? What does this pick up? Does this pick up Sentinel? Clops. Yeah, this thing can't recognize this text at all. Not quite our best. Yeah. We're not gonna let the easiest time doing this here. I'm trying to win the game now. Yep, we're just playing the game really quick. Okay, let's run right now. I want to see what it looks like. Does it pick up anything? Nah, it can't pick up anything. All right, so overall, yeah, we have a hard thing here. It's not gonna be able to do any of it. All right, we're gonna put Hulk down right here. That'll give us a huge boost. I think we win this location over here. Alrighty. Looks like we might have to do a little shenanigans. Oh yeah. I think we're gonna win. And we might be able to win all 3 locations with this, man. Because they're probably gonna go for the middle section. Because they're like, oh crap, I'm 1 away, I can probably win this. Yep, middle section. And I won the right location and the middle location, most likely. Yep, look at that. They don't even stand a chance. Boom, boom. Win those 2 locations. We're bosses. Easy game to play. I feel like I win so much. Unless I get really bad hands, I guess. Alright, we don't care about that, though. Okay, so... Oh, this wants us to do whatever junk. Yeah, I know. So, I don't think we can do this game. Just not easily. I think I'll... Unless there's other text, like text kind of module stuff, which here, maybe we can give it a try. Let me open up a nice browser here. Let me see. Is there any Python libraries that do or text recognition with weird fonted text. Let's see if Bing can answer this question. Yes, there are several Python libraries. So this is what I use oftentimes whenever I'm like looking up stuff or whatever, trying to find out things. There's that can perform text recognition on images with unusual fonts. One such is PyTesseract, which is what we're using. The okay, that recognizes text. Another library might be useful is Typefont, which is the first open source library that detects the font of a text in an image. Additionally, you might want to check out Deepfont, which can identify the font from an image. Okay, so we have a couple options here. Let's quickly see block type. Ooh. Amazon Texteract returns, unfortunately, no font type. Interesting. From an image. I'm like going on to like who knows what. Oh. This might be able to detect stuff. The thing is, we don't know what the font is. But maybe it'll work. Maybe not. So that's deep font. I think I grabbed. Oh yeah, that was text font. No, that's deep font. Oh, it was just reading this post basically. That's what the Bing AI is doing. The first owners of the text images, it's reading. No. I wonder how you can use type font though. Oh, did they take down the thing? Maybe we can't use type font. But deep font maybe. Deep font, import deep font. Here, let me actually go and manually search for deep font if I can. Where's? Oops, I accidentally closed out my game. That's. Where is the settings? There's settings. Oh yeah. All right. We want to find deep font. Deep mail. I don't think it's a easy library to find. What is it called? Yeah, deep font. Deep learning scribe, deep judge, deep interact. Sometimes they are under like a different library. So like that's not the exact library. So what we might need to do is we need deep font. Try to find deep font. Oh, this might not be a Python library. Font recognition, deep font. Adobe. Deep font paper is unique. It is a technique created by Adobe Inc. to detect a font from images using deep learning. They publish their work as a stuff from page, blah 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 blah. Effective data set, processing of data set to. Okay, so I think this is something that we would have to be able to train, and then with the training, we could then learn from stuff. Which could be a pain. Let me think here. Gosh darn it, my hands are off. Image recognition. Font recognition. Font. Let's see. Font sampler. Font crunch. Yeah, we don't see anything here in particular. I don't think we'll be doing that. All right, well, I think we might have run into a dead end on this game, Marvel Snap. So, and I could, spend the next 20 hours taking screenshots and recognizing things by image, but that's gonna take forever. So I think we're gonna call this one a failure, just because I do not want to spend that much time just to automate this game. I was just trying to do this out of fun to see if I could try to do it, but it's not gonna work. So yeah, thanks for watching. That was a failure of a test, but it at least shows that you can do it to some degree, depending on if the font is good enough for or Tesseract is good enough for the font. The font of that is very hard though, because it's all like this toony looking font and everything, so it's pretty hard. So yeah, I could not sense any of this. So that's a bummer there. And I noticed my monitors were all adjusted around, because I think I switched out my monitors switched out my cords of my monitors. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Who knows, maybe I'll live stream later. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be uploading some podcasty kind of stuff with me and my one bro. We talk a bunch about business and really interesting deep stuff. So we're gonna probably upload that